I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did a video a couple videos ago trying Haus Labs products. Well, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, because today I'm going to bring you a quick little easy holiday makeup look that is all Haus Labs. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so I have two eyeshadow palettes here. The first one is this is the volume 1, the super neutrals. Open that up and it looks like this. And the inside, the shadows have that buttery look to them that y'all know I like when it comes to eyeshadow. So this is probably the one we're going to use today because it's giving very holiday, New Year's looks, all that stuff. And then the second one is the volume 002, the super neutrals. It looks like that. Y'all know I love a good green in an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is gonna be our lid color. It looks reflective, like in some light, it's giving pink. In other lights, it's giving a little orangey, peachy-ish. Okay, let's see how it translates on the eye though.
Baby, they were not playing when they said next level pigment payoff, because look at those shades. Now we were a little more light-handed today because it's a simple look, but look at those shades, the mattes and the shimmers.
I'm telling y'all, anytime an eyeshadow palette just looks buttery like that, the shimmers in it, it's going to pop on your eyes. So that same palette, I'm gonna take this brown shade right here in my outer corner, just a little bit, slow build, and just slowly start to bring that over. And then a little black in that corner too. Now, we are no stranger to their foundation, but have you guys seen their foundation brush? Look at that. Okay, hold on.
This award-winning foundation comes in 51 shades. I am a neutral undertone, so I wear it in the shade 530 Deep Neutral. It's a medium coverage foundation that is very buildable, so you can build it either way, down to sheer coverage or up to full coverage, or keep it right there in the middle with medium. It's a natural finish foundation. Personally, I still recommend this to oily skin because I feel like it still wears really well throughout the day, depending on how you set your face, and it has a very skin-like finish to it.
And then you already know the concealer to go with that. And baby, the concealer and the foundation together, I mean, you're gonna see by the end of this video, but the two. And they have a concealer brush as well, so I'm going to use that to blend that out. Okay. I mean, it was gonna blend seamlessly anyway, but I like how it's kind of like that slanted effect so that you can just really push it down like this.
Y'all, some of the descriptors of this concealer are that it visibly blurs, brightens, and conceals, and it depuffs after 2 weeks of daily use. Now, I am filming this video only a couple hours after getting home at midnight from the airport, and that's after staying in the airport for 8 hours. So I want you to pay attention to how my under eye looks before I put this concealer on, and at the end of the video on how it looks. Talk about visibly blur and brighten. Now, I might not be awake mentally, but I am visibly.
Okay, I like this brush. And then of course, setting powder to set my concealer. I'm gonna put this lip oil on before I do my lips. Probably should have done that from the beginning, but better is later than never. This is in the color Neutral. It's just clear. And then look how big this blush is, y'all. Look at it. Look. This shade, but this eyelid color. Oh, this is in the shade Acai Sky. Oh. Okay, and dust some of that off a little bit.
The combination of this blush shade being flattering for my skin tone and the formulation of this blush being one that just melts onto your skin when you put it on gives you this natural, almost as if you're blushing from within type of look that goes really well with today's look, because it's supposed to be a very simple and your face but a little better type of look to the face, and it matches really well with the eyeshadow look that we're going for today. And then lips, I'm going to start out with the Mahogany Matte Lip Crayon. Okay, she glides on nicely. Okay, now yes, technically this is a lip liner, but given the creaminess of it and the high impact color that it has, I actually took it a little lower than where you would place lip liner and actually incorporated it into the actual lip look. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my face. Like I said, real simple, real easy, quick to do, so you can still walk into the living room like you're the Beyonce of the family this holiday season, and you ain't gotta do much. So, like I said, I've already tried a lot of these products. I don't know how I feel about the foundation, the concealer, these brushes though. The brushes though, and like I said, they have that kind of like slant to them that I liked. It just helped with how it sat on your face and really helped to push the products into your face. The lip products, look at that, look at that. So I mean, if you didn't get the point from my video before, baby, do not sleep on Haus Labs. Everything that I used will be in the description down below for you to check out, shop, all that good stuff. And now would be the time to shop, because they are having a Black Friday Cyber Monday sale from the 22nd of November to the 27th of November only. So definitely go ahead, get you something, treat yourself, and let me know how your holiday seasons go. So that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.